Hi, hello everyone. Myself Pooja here. Today I'm going to talk to you here about two things. First is I would like to share the exciting news that now we are open in India, guys. Yes, we are open in India. So now you can get our gut health program in India as well. Earlier it was like we used to get it from outside, so now it's easily available in India for your comfortable you can do it. And another thing I'm here to discuss about how our program is different, guys. How it is different to other programs. So I'm going to discuss in detail about this with my friend and mentor. So let me invite her. Just bear with me. Yes.
Hi
Hi,
Pooja.
Richa. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Very excited now we are open in India.
Right.
Yes.
So,
So we just wanted to tell that how our program is different. Now we are also open in India. We like to give some highlights to our friends and family and in this group. So let's start with that.
yeah, let's start. So, welcome everybody and namaste. So, as Pooja mentioned that we are now open in India. So, I would like to add over here is that this about this program that this program is very different from other program. This is very doable, and
Absolutely.
this helps you in the long run, right? So, it what happens is like you would have heard about gut health. This program is entirely based on gut health. Like in India, our elders say that if अगर आपकी पाचन क्रिया ठीक होगी तो आपका health ठीक होगा. So it's all about your pachan kriya or digestive system, or you say gut health.
True, true.
And the weight loss that you have is just an added bonus, right,
Oh,
Pooja?
yes, definitely. Our gut health program is amazing, Richa. And you have so much to gain when you are focused on this program. And it's basically you're doing naturally, you are losing weight by eating healthy food. And what I feel, Richa, like when my clients are doing the program, they give me so many feedback that Pooja, I am able to sleep well, my better skin and hair,
Yes.
and my energy levels have increased. So there are so many benefits, and I'm able to focus also properly on my work. So many benefits. These are just to name a few. So I keep on getting feedbacks
Right.
after the program or during the program from my mentees. So this is a really it's a different aspect of this program. And you also learn to eat different healthy food.
Yeah, food is very important aspect of this program. You eat food, it nourishes us, it sustains us, it is a life giver. And
Absolutely.
believe me, nothing can beat a homemade food if you are looking for weight loss program.
True.
Like there are many programs available everywhere, but why this stands apart is just because of the homemade food. Like
Correct.
it's very important to learn what to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat to keep yourself healthy. Right,
Definitely,
Pooja?
Richa, definitely. And we have the veg program, the non-veg meal plan, and there's also recently they have introduced the vegan meal plan. So you have so many varieties to choose from, and there ample the food list available. So basically, Richa, you are not dieting. You are eating so much. Sometimes
Yeah,
even my
there's
mentees, they
no
say, "Oh,
starving.
Pooja, I can't eat so much. There's so many things to eat. My stomach is already full." So now you can understand that this is
Yeah,
not any kind of diet. You are eating most of the time, 3 meals and 2 snacks. So it's definitely
snacks.
it's really, really helpful, I would say.
Yeah, and regarding recipes, I would like to add that there is a recipes available,
Oh
so
yeah,
you
the
can
recipe
go
group,
and
yeah.
check out them, and you can try a new thing every day. Like you can have doklas and chilas and dosas
Yes,
and
and
then
pizza. I love
patties,
dhoklas.
pizza also. Right. So it's a combination of proteins and veggies, and you can also have fruits in between. And there
True.
is no fancy items involved that you would be running from store to look for them and get worried. Simple, easy
Absolutely.
ingredients. It's all customized based according to your taste, according to your suitability, and according
Absolutely.
to the availability locally. Like whatever is available locally, only that you can pick and prepare meals, and
Absolutely.
your
Absolutely.
mentor can guide you better on this, right?
Oh, when talking about mentor, how can we forget the role of mentor, Richa? I would say they are like the backbone when you're doing the program, you know. They are always there to support you, to guide you, to motivate you. And they also keep the daily accountability, like how you are doing, when you are eating, how
Right,
you. So they are really like a support system when you're doing this program. And they are also
right.
like one more thing I find good is they're available online, so whenever you want
Yeah,
to ask anything, just message them and they are readily available. You don't have to meet in person, face to face. Like, so it's very, very convenient way of doing the program. So this is really stands apart, you know, this program is really in
yeah,
this
yeah.
term.
True, true,
And another thing, what
true.
I feel is that in this program, the bonding you get to make with your mentor, you are spending 30 days together discussing every day weight update and food, what you are eating, so many things. So it becomes a kind of bonding. So after the program, also you are connected and you feel like you are a friend kind of thing and a family kind of the bonding that starts to develop in this program. So this is really
Right,
different
right.
in this program. You will not find it anywhere, I would really say. And then you learn, and mentors are like the weight loss GPS, which I feel. So they're always behind you during the program. So it's really the good way to lose weight in sustainable way, I would say.
Yeah, sustainability is very important in this program. So what you can do is when you are done with the program, just follow 80-20 rule. Like
Absolutely.
80% you can follow what you have learned throughout the program, and 20% you can have whatever you want. Like if you have parties, you have get together, any ritual, just go, enjoy, have a blast, eat whatever you
True.
want. Okay. And what happens, you if you notice, you don't gain weight overnight, right? You gain little by little. So even after the program you feel you have gained just by few grams, what you can do is simply follow what you had learned throughout the program in the entire month.
Yes, yes,
Follow it for few
absolutely.
days and you will be back on the track. So
Yes.
you see how it helps you in the long run
It's a
also,
lifestyle
right?
change also, Richa, I would say. So the what
Yeah.
things I say, come on, people, now it's time. Don't wait. Don't sit on the fence. Start your healthy journey, and please do contact your mentors. That's what I would say.
So right, Pooja. So hope this piece of information from us helps you to make a better choice.
And
And
India,
thank you everyone for taking out your valuable time to watch us. And India people, yes, we are open in India. So you can contact your mentor. And thank you everyone. Thank you,
yes,
Pooja.
people, please
Bye.
contact your mentor. And there's nothing to lose. I would say you are going to gain a lot when in this program. So please do contact your mentors. Thanks. Thanks for joining. Thanks,
Bye
Richa.
everyone.
Thanks,
Bye.
everyone. Bye.